Are you tired of guessing distances? If so, then you need a laser distance meter. This handy tool uses a laser beam to measure distances with incredible accuracy. No more guessing or struggling with a tape measure. Here are just a few of the benefits of using a laser distance meter. Accuracy. Laser distance meters are incredibly accurate, measuring distances within millimeters. Ease of use. Simply point the laser at the object you want to measure and press the button. The distance will be displayed on the screen. Versatility. Laser distance meters can be used to measure a wide variety of distances, from a few inches to hundreds of feet. Portability. Laser distance meters are small and lightweight, making them easy to take with you wherever you go. Here are a few of the ways you can use a laser distance meter. Measure the distance between two objects. This is perfect for measuring the length of a room, the height of a ceiling, or the width of a piece of furniture. Measure the distance from a point to an object. This is useful for measuring the distance from your hand to a wall, the distance from a tree to your house, or the distance from a power line to the ground. Measure the area of a room. This is helpful for calculating the amount of paint or wallpaper you will need to buy. Measure the volume of a room. This is useful for calculating the amount of air conditioning or heating you will need to buy. In addition to these benefits, laser distance meters are also durable. Laser distance meters are made from durable materials that can withstand everyday use. Weatherproof. Most laser distance meters are weatherproof, so you can use them outdoors in any weather condition. Affordable. Laser distance meters are relatively affordable, making them a great investment for any homeowner or professional. If you are looking for a fast, easy, and accurate way to measure distances, then a laser distance meter is the perfect tool for you. I highly recommend investing in a laser distance meter. It will save you time, money, and frustration. Thank you.